In this video, I'll show you how to create a WordPress account. It's going to be a full guide video. Make sure what I'm going to show you in this video. This video is really for educational purposes only. Now make sure you have downloaded and installed the WordPress here on your device. So I'm going to just click on it. Click on continue with wordpress.com. Click on continue. So this is going to load up. So what I need to do now, you're going to be able to see create an account at the top. So click on it. So wait for it to open up. So I'm going to click on, let me say, continue with Google. So once you click on continue with Google, you're going to be able to see the list of options you love to continue with. So I'm using this account. That is this my tutorial mail, for example. I'm going to click on continue. So wait for it to load up. So yeah, it's currently opening. So I'll just wait for it to open. So I'll click on allow. So it's gonna load up right now. Yeah, so this is it. So if you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next video.